Hello, Mai. Today, let's dive together into the world of Blender. First, we'll learn about objects, which are the fundamental building blocks of Blender.
Objects? What exactly are they?
Blender objects are basic elements that can be placed in a 3D scene. These include 3D models, cameras, lights, meshes, and more. Let's learn the basic operations for objects. I'll explain how to select, move, scale, and rotate objects.
How do I perform these operations?
It's easy. Selection, click with the mouse, moving, press G key, scaling, press S key, rotation, press R key. Objects have various properties that allow you to customize their appearance and behavior.
What specific customizations are possible?
You can make diverse adjustments like transformations, collections, instancing, visibility settings, and more. By mastering these, you'll be able to create more complex and engaging 3D scenes.